Let's be honest for a second. AutoCAD still works, but it often feels like hard work for no reason. If you are an architect or interior designer and just want to draw faster, make changes easily, and prepare nice presentations without stress, this video is for you. Today, I will show you why so many interior designers are switching to Rayon design and why it is becoming best AutoCAD alternative in 2026. In AutoCAD, a lot of time goes into remembering commands, fixing small mistakes, cleaning up drawings. In Rayon Design, you just draw. Here you can see the complete setup. This is how I create my drawings in Rayon, and honestly, I haven't used anything fancy at all. I have only used the basic tools available in the bottom toolbar, and that's what makes this workflow so powerful. Let's start with the wall tool. I will simply draw my wall, add the dimension, and as you can see, a 3-meter wall is ready. Now, I will select the wall, and on the right hand side, you will see the properties panel. Here, I can change the wall thickness. Right now, it's 0.15, but I can easily adjust it to whatever I need. Below that, we have the fill option. At the moment, it's set to a hatch, but I can also switch to a solid fill depending on my drawing style. Then we have the stroke settings, where I can change the line color, line weight. So this is how you can fully customize your walls inside Rayon. Next, let's look at the opening tool from the bottom toolbar. This is how you can add a door. You can easily change the swing direction and the door sides, which is super convenient. I will place my door here, and you can already see how quick and intuitive this is. Now, you will notice that I have added a lot of small details to this drawing. Let me show you how. Rayon has very extensive furniture library. Simply go to the left hand side, block library, and everything is neatly organized into folders. So you are not randomly searching for elements. For kitchen alone, you will find 3 separate folders: kitchen basics, appliances, accessories. Let's open kitchen basics. Here you will find everything: sink, stove, refrigerator, all ready to use. When I open an element, you will notice that it includes top, front, and side views, which is extremely helpful. I can use the top view for my floor plan and the front view for my elevation without drawing anything from scratch. We also have kitchen accessories. For example, I can place a pan on the stove like this. Let's say the omelette is cooking. And since this element already has an elevation view, I can simply drag, drop, and place it. Now, you can see how my floor plan and elevation perfectly match. Everything shown in the plan appears in the elevation as well. That's what makes this library so powerful. Now, what if something isn't available in the library? No problem. Just take a screenshot of the object, go to the menu bar, import, and place the image anywhere on the canvas. Scale it down, select the image, and you will see the AI edit option. From here, you can upscale the image, remove the background, generate a product. I will click on Generate Product. Once that's done, the object appears in my resource library as a reusable block with top and the front views. Now, I can simply drag and drop it like any other element. This AI feature saves so much time, and later I can still edit line weight, colors, or details if needed. Next, the amazing feature is the AI panel. Here, you can generate images, tracings, products, stylized views, axonometric views. Axonometric view sounds interesting, so let's try that. I will take a screenshot of my elevation, go to the tools, generate axonometric, upload it, and send it. Now, Rayon starts processing, and here we go. It has generated the axonometric view. Click on preview, and this is the result. You can see the refrigerator, stove, accessories, candles, pots, even the pan. It understood the geometry really well, and I'm genuinely impressed. Earlier, I would have needed SketchUp and full 3D modeling for this, but here, in just few clicks, Rayon created it and saved a huge amount of time. You can also add labels, notes, material details, anything you want. You can select the image and use the AI edit again to upscale the image, remove the background. This is especially useful if you want to add custom background colors later. I can even turn this into a render. I will take the screenshot, type the prompt like create a realistic render, and as you can see, it adds a realistic touch to the axonometric. Now, let me show you how I organize my sheets. Go to the layers and here you will see model canvas and paper canvas. I will go to the paper canvas, then I go to pages, click on the plus icon and create a new page. Page 6 is an A3 sheet size, so I will select the page 7 and change its format from A4 to A3 from the right hand side panel. Now I will arrange it properly. I can copy paste the title block from another page, or I can find the title blocks directly in the block library. I will paste it here and customize it, change the page number from 05 to 06 and click done. To add drawings, go to the view tool at the bottom, create a view box, click override and select the view you want. For example, the axonometric. If I want something to scale, I will override the view again and select the elevation. I will set the scale to 1:25. Click done and crop the view so only what I need is visible. And that's how you add scale drawings to your sheets. At the top, you will see images placed inside tables. Let me show you how. Go to the menu, Import, add your image. For example, I'm replacing this refrigerator with the Samsung model. I will remove the background using AI Edit, scale it and place it neatly inside the table. Now, how did I create this table? On the left hand side, you will find the table tool. Click on that and the table is ready. You can add areas, lengths, views, quantities, sum, count, anything. Everything is customizable. From the three-dot menu, you can export the table as CSV file or XLSX file. You can also rename, duplicate, or delete it. Click Insert and place it on your page, and then customize it. Furniture schedule, lighting tables, electrical layouts, anything you need. A lot of designers today use one tool for drawing, one tool for visualization, one tool for schedule, and other for presentation. But with Rayon Design, you can do all of that in just one single tool. Once everything is done, go to Pages, Export. You can export your project as PDF or PNG. You can adjust the quality and even print directly. And that's not all. You can export your drawings as DXF, DWG, and Rayon file. Just go to your paper canvas, menu, export, and you will find all these options. And honestly, this is a huge win. AutoCAD isn't going anywhere, but if you want a tool that feels lighter, faster, and more enjoyable, especially for interior design and architectural drawings, Rayon Design is worth trying. That's why so many designers are calling it the best AutoCAD alternative for architects and interior designers in 2026. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe and let me know in the comment box below what would you like to see next. I am Kritika and I will see you in the next one.